Good day, you folks. This is the KMC Corporation, and today we're gonna bring you an awesome, legendary, cool tool. And today our main character is the legendary nail clicker. Yeah.
Okay, you might think it's just a normal, common nail scissor. But no! Let's do a little math, shall we? This product combines the nail scissors, a nail file, a blade, and the opener. And we will have this multi-tool. Okay, the first thing you can see it's just a nail scissor. You can turn like this, and voila, it's a nail scissor. As you can see, there's a couple of blades right here. So it's very sharp, made Korean of course, and it can help you cut any kind of nails. The more harder nails, the more sound it can make. You see the curves right here. It can help you to cut more accuracy. Let me just help you see a little bit. Here's my dirty finger right here, and wow, that's a very big clicking sound. And if you see the finger is not very smooth, you can use this kind of nail file. It's just right here. Let me have you to see. All sparkle like new. Okay. And also this one can be a very sharp blade right here. It just have a very common use like other multi-tool, the blade. This blade can cut nearly every object like a butter, a paper, or a cardboard. Not really being a very useful blade, but at least it's a blade, and you can use it to defend yourself in like a zombie apocalypse, or to fight with an alien outer space. It could be useful.
When you are at a party and the can opener is nowhere to be found, don't worry, with our legendary nail flicker, just a little flip and all the bottle is open. Bang! 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 I wonder how this thing works. Well, it's the can opener. Just see how this baby works. Done, baby. Someone asked me,
Well, I love your legendary nail clicker, but it's so little I may have lost it.
don't worry, that's why we invented this little thing to hang it everywhere you want. You can hang it here, or may even here. Also, it can be opened to hang something like a key in, like this. And then you close it. You can bring our product everywhere you want with you and your key.
How does the quality? It's made in Korean. You can see it right here. Let me angle a little bit, okay? There. You can see it. Clear. And how about the price? Will it be expensive?
Only just 10 to 20 Vietnam dong, you gonna earn a very awesome multi-tool like this. Come on, let's get some of this multi-tour. To nearly the end of this video, and very thank you to the KMC Corporation for support us. So let us know this awesome of this multi-tour. Okay, thank you for listening and good luck to all you guys. And next time, the KMC Corporation will introduce you a very new technology. You're gonna very impressed.